This Empava 30-30-inch gas cooktop is a versatile and efficient cooking appliance designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens and RV setups. This cooktop boasts 5 world-class burners made in Italy, offering a perfect blend of performance, safety, and style. With its stainless steel finish, the Empava gas cooktop not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen, but also ensures durability and ease of maintenance. Let's delve into the detailed features and benefits of this high-quality cooktop. One of the standout features of the Empava gas cooktop is its 5 versatile burners, each designed to handle different cooking tasks efficiently. These burners include 1. Wok burner. With a power output of 12,000 BTU per hour and a diameter of 5.20 inches, this burner is perfect for high-heat cooking techniques like stir-frying and searing. 2. Rapid burner. Offering 10 and 200 BTU per hour of power with a 3.74-inch diameter. This burner heats up quickly, making it ideal for boiling and other high-heat tasks. 3. 2 semi-rapid burners, each providing 6,000 BTU per hour with a diameter of 2.56 inches. These burners are versatile for medium heat cooking needs such as simmering and sautéing. 4. Auxiliary burner. With a lower power output of 3,400 BTU and a 1.77-inch diameter. This burner is perfect for gentle cooking tasks like melting and simmering delicate sauces. The Empava gas cooktop measures 29.92 inches in length, 20.08 inches in width, and 4.13 inches in height, making it an ideal fit for various kitchen setups or as an RV cooktop. The cutout dimensions are 28.62 inches in length and 18.77 inches in width, ensuring a snug and secure installation. This cooktop comes pre-installed with a 110V power cord, a natural gas regulator, and LPG nozzles, making it ready for use with either propane or natural gas right out of the box. The easy installation process allows you to start cooking immediately without the need for additional modifications or equipment. These burners cater to a wide range of cooking styles and needs, ensuring that you have the right heat level for any recipe. The Empava 30-30-inch gas cooktop is compatible with both propane and natural gas, offering flexibility for different kitchen and RV applications. This dual fuel capability makes it a versatile choice for various settings, whether you are cooking at home or on the road. The pre-installed natural gas regulator and LPG nozzles ensure a seamless transition between fuel types, providing convenience and efficiency. Safety is a paramount concern for any gas appliance, and the Empava gas cooktop excels in this regard. Each of the 5 burners is equipped with flame failure thermocouples and auto shut-off technology. These features prevent gas leaks by automatically shutting off the gas supply if the flame goes out. This advanced safety mechanism ensures a reliable and secure cooking experience, giving you peace of mind while you cook. Maintenance is a breeze with the Empava gas cooktop, thanks to its thoughtful design. The sealed burners prevent food spillage from entering the burner bases, making cleanup simple and efficient. The stain-resistant stainless steel surface can be easily wiped down, maintaining its sleek and polished appearance. Additionally, the full-width cast iron grates are dishwasher-safe, allowing for hassle-free cleaning and ensuring that your cooktop remains in pristine condition. The Empava gas cooktop is built to last, featuring durable knobs and laser-cut construction. These high-quality components ensure that the cooktop can withstand daily use while maintaining its functionality and appearance. The sturdy construction and reliable performance make this cooktop a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you are simmering a delicate sauce, boiling pasta, or frying your favorite dishes, the Empava gas cooktop delivers the necessary heat with precision. The varied burner sizes provide the flexibility to handle different cooking techniques, ensuring that you achieve perfect results every time. The high power output and efficient heat distribution make this cooktop suitable for both everyday cooking and gourmet meal preparation. Engineered in the USA, the Empava gas cooktop is backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. This warranty provides added assurance that you are investing in a reliable and durable product. The cooktop's quality construction and thoughtful design make it a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen or RV cooking setup. Conclusion: the Empava 30-inch gas cooktop with 5 burners is an exceptional appliance that combines style, performance, and safety. With its versatile burner options, fuel flexibility, and advanced safety features, this cooktop is designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens and RVs. The easy installation process and low maintenance requirements make it a convenient and efficient choice for any cooking environment. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, the Empava gas cooktop offers the perfect balance of functionality and elegance, ensuring a superior cooking experience every time. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.